What is everyone doing today? Let's go ahead and make some progress on this ferry Oasis here. So we went through, painted it, made it all waterproof and stuff. So now, as a little extra precaution, I did put some silicone here around my plug. All right. So now we need to turn this into a usable water feature. All right. So the first thing that I need to do is I use these strawberry baskets. And it seems to work out really well. I was able to, you can see how I cut those two right there, and that gets the plug through there so it can sit flush. All right, so once we orientate how we want to put that, I need to be able to put my hose so it looks like it sits comfortably like this. So my hose will go through there. So I want to put this in, okay? And then I got to use a hose clamp and then the tip for the return. Okay, so let me get this going and I will be right back. All right, so this is how it should look here. I got the hose that goes through the side here, and I use that hose clamp to hold it to the nozzle on the return. And I have the cage. This is two of them put together actually. But you can silicone, put a little dab of silicone if you're worried about this moving at all. But I'm going to have lava rock covered on here. So tomorrow's video, I have to wait for that silicone to dry right there. So tomorrow's video, we will find out if this is waterproof. And then we'll go ahead and start adding our rock to it. All right? Happy farming, y'all. Later.